guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I see that you really loved that house in Verbicara with a price that was really reduced, and it was a great value. So I thought I would show you this house. It also has been reduced in price, and like the other house that was recently renovated, it has a ton of high value in it. We're talking about things that are hidden high value, things that are going to cost you a lot of money if you go in to replace them after you buy a house. And a lot of people don't think about that. There are a lot of things that cost that you have to do in some of these places, even when they look great as you go through. Things like new windows, things like this Serbatoio d'Acqua, which is a water tank and a pump, so that when everybody arrives in the tourist season and the water pressure starts to go down, you're not affected. And things like heat and air conditioning, things like ceiling fans, things like furniture that's included, that's nice furniture. All of those things are super high value. So take a look at this one. I think you're going to find it very interesting. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm in the Historic Center of Scalea today to show you a very special house. Now, the Historic Center of Scalea, it's a little bit difficult to find properties here, especially done-up properties, because the inventory is so limited. Obviously, it's a historic center, so you're not going to get a huge amount of inventory popping up because they can't really build old houses anymore because they wouldn't be old. Anyway, I'm going to show you this beautiful place. It's right across the piazza from the main church in the Historic Center, Scalea. And if you come for the Madonna Festival in July, you have the best seat in the house, because from your balcony, you can watch the whole festival unfold from the church right in front of you. Take a look, guys. Okay, this is the little tiny staircase that goes down to the piazza in front of the church. And I'm going to show you the piazza because it's really very pretty. Just come down this small staircase and here's the church. It's being redone in the front. They just did the facade. It's gorgeous. And here's the little piazza in front of the church. So when the Madonna Festival happens, they come out of this church and they go out. So that balcony right up there is the balcony that overlooks everything from the upper bedroom. This house is very pretty. It's over 100 square meters. It's all done up. It's got really good reviews. People actually really love it. And it's so centrally located. You can actually walk to the sea, walk to the restaurants, walk to the services, and still be in the heart of the historic center here in Scalea. We are in the little courtyard here, and normally we have a table out here with a little tablecloth on it. People love to have their coffee out here. And on Sunday morning, they sing in the church, and it's absolutely stunning. I mean, it's really one of the best choirs I have ever heard. Plus, it's so easy to find this place because you just say, look, you just go to the main church, and there it is. Now, this here is what's called a Serbatoio d'Acqua, and it's got a little pump. And what it is it's full of water. And in summer, I will tell you from experience that here in the historic center, many times the water pressure is not really what it could be. So it pumps water into the house and then it refills itself. You always have plenty of water and a nice shower when you need it. The Serbatoio d'Acqua is one of the high value items that I always look for in a house, and if the house doesn't have it, I put it in. Okay, we just came in the front door. You see we have a glass front door which lets in a lot of light, but you have the gate out there for when you want to be secure. Now, here's the dining room slash soggiorno area. It could be set up however you want to have it set up, but there's a lot of space in here. You've got a beautiful bathroom down here, all done. Hello, guys. Nice shower, very comfy. And of course your toilet, which goes without saying, but you can see that the tile is all nicely done and the floor is new. Now coming out here, we have the kitchen. Click. And it's a cute little kitchen, fully set up for everything. The fridge is big, which I love. You're really set up for everything you need. So we're pretty happy with this kitchen. Very comfortable. Now this is a storage area. A lot of space back here for storage. You could use it as a pantry as well. Now, again on the ground floor here, this is on 2 levels. So this is the Soggiorno area here. What we did was we broke this up into 2 separate suites, the downstairs suite and the upstairs suite. Now, this could so easily be a bedroom, but right now we set it up as a Soggiorno area that we would rent out and people would stay and have their own little living room area so that it's not so tight in here. We have ceiling fans, we have heat and air conditioning throughout the house, so you don't have to buy that. And here's the bedroom. Very comfy little bedroom. What I like about it is there's a lot of light, even though this is a historic center house. Many times in Scalea, they're very dark and you need lighting and stuff. But here's your view out the side. It's a view of the historic center and then a little scorchy view of the mountains. Very, very pretty. This place is very characteristic, very charming. In the living room, we're going up the stairs. And as you get up the stairs, you have windows. These windows look out onto the via and the piazza down below. That's the via. There's the piazza right there. Top of the stairs, it has these really pretty tiles. I just love these tiles so much. And they're in really nice shape. Here's the bedroom. You can see it's really a huge, huge bedroom. Of course, we have air conditioning over there. And it's all set up for a B&B or for a comfortable place to live. Here's your cute window out onto the piazza. We have friends that live right across the way there. It's lovely. And from here, you've got this beautiful balcony. Now, this is one of the main parts about the house. Again, your balcony view is the church. And that's the church where they come out of for the procession of the biggest religious festival of the year in this area here. It is the Madonna festival, and the Madonna comes out of the church and she makes her way throughout the village. There's fireworks everywhere. They basically shut down Scalea and turn it into a giant festival park. It really is fun. Now through here, you can go down to the restaurant. That is a restaurant that's set up in the historic center. You eat outside with the magic of the historic center here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Summers here are fabulous. Okay, and as you can see, you've got everything you need here. We are selling it furnished. We're going into the little living room soggiorno area that we have up here in the upstairs suite. And again, it's really, really comfy. Now, that is an old air conditioner. That's going to go away. That unit doesn't belong here. I have to get Domenico to get rid of that. But you can see this is a really, really pretty and cute, characteristic place. That is actually a working oven, pizza oven. We don't need it here because this is not the kitchen, but this is a really, really comfy little space for working. You could even put a sofa bed there. And this could be a bedroom, and the soggiorno area downstairs could also be a bedroom. What I love up here is you have a very big bathroom. You've got a good sized shower, plenty of room. You've got a really nice wash tub, of course, a washing machine, which is new, and, you know, storage and everything you need there. Now, we got a lot of stuff for renters here, which will go away. The baby tub, the cribs, and all of that stuff is just here for the renters. So that you can have it if you want, but you don't have to take it. Okay, so Scalea is just a really, really beautiful place. Now, from this soggiorno, you have a cute view from the sofa of the historic center and the rest of Scalea. All in all, this is a really, really lovely place, and it's very highly desirable for people who want to rent in summer because it's close to everything. You can walk to the sea, you can walk to the services, you can walk to so many restaurants here, and you really don't even need a car if you're going to be here. It's a really nice place to come stay, and then you can rent it out when you're not here. Let me know what you think, guys. Let's get you into this beautiful little independent house that is a very rare find in Scalea.